So Samsung might repeat history by making fans happy, and your excitement for the S25 series will touch the sky. See, the launch date is just a few months away, and the big debate among consumers is all about the chipset. It was thought that Samsung would use a combo of Exynos and Snapdragon chips, but a fresh report suggests they will use the Snapdragon exclusively. Yes, according to a report from Hang Yang, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus and S25 Ultra will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy processor globally.
Buckle up, baby, are you kidding me?
So originally, it was thought that the company would go with the Exynos 2500 chip for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, but now it looks like they have decided to switch things up. The new strategy differs from the current year, where the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus use the Exynos 2400 in most countries, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This is reportedly because Samsung plans to use only the highest performance components. Apparently, the company wants to shake off people's performance-related doubts regarding the flagship Galaxy smartphones. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is said to bring more than 30% improvement in AI and GPU performance. Since the iPhone 16 will be Apple's first smartphone focusing on AI performance and features, Samsung need to compete with it properly, and the Galaxy S25 needs to have the industry's best AI performance. The surprising part is that the performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is set to match that of the iPhone 16's A18 chip. To stay ahead of the game, Samsung is not willing to settle for anything less than the best chipset on the market. They want to ensure their Galaxy S25 series remains the top choice for AI phone technology, which is why they have their eyes on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy. For now, Samsung's semiconductor division will focus on improving the performance and stability of the Exynos 2500 chip. Samsung Device Solution Business has reportedly ordered executives of its foundry business to improve its 3nm and more advanced semiconductor chip fabrication process to secure competitiveness in the market. In a last unpacked event, Samsung successfully used the Exynos W1000 3nm CPU in the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. So it is being reported that the 3nm Exynos 2500 chip will be used in the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 in the second half of 2025. So what do you think of Samsung's decision? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.